Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. I hope everyone is quite well. So today I'm going to show you how you can create application in Python. So let me show you. You can take help of AI, artificial intelligence, while creating Python application. So if I type something, Adnan Rahman, it will transform the text. So I have created this app. So if I want to create an app, restaurant bill calculator, so I can take help. So I'm going to copy this code and then I'm going to paste it in my. Then I'm going to paste it. I can, I'm going to start this. Oh, and then I'm going to open a new file and I'm going to copy the paste this code and then I'm going to run the program pyapp.py. And then I'm going to run the module. So yeah, so I have created an app with the help of Python. So you can, if I open an image, any image, then I can let's go. Currently, I do not have any image in my. Well, let's create another app. So I'm going to create weather app with the help of Python. So let's begin our journey. I'm going to open PowerShell. This is the basics of what basics and functionality you need while creating Python app. After practicing a few days, you will be successful to create your own app, and then you can launch it in Play Store or any application wherever like. So yeah, so my application is already installed. So now I'm going to copy this code and then I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to run the module. So this is the app which I created. Create app, create a restaurant bill, restaurant bill. weather app. Suppose weather app with pyqt5 with in Python. It will show the code I need for building the application. These things are needed while creating the application. Let's paste the code in my Python, and then so yeah, I have created a weather app with the help of Python. So now I'm going to find out weather no, Dhaka. Suppose London. So you need to install a API for creating the application. So these are the basics of creating Python application. I will come up with no more tips and tricks for creating application with Python, and stay tuned and keep watching my videos, and don't forget to hit subscribe and like button if you find my videos helpful.